Okay, question 2, right? We have catechin. Is okay. Which of the following statement about this molecule catechin is correct? 1 mole reacts with 5 mole of NaOH. Yeah, phenol, which is acidic. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 mole not correct. React with 4. Okay, B can undergo electrophilic substitution with 2.5 moles of Br2. Basically, when it undergoes electrophilic sub, right, for every one substitution, you need 1 mole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need actually 5 moles. Option B is wrong. Option C can undergo oxidation with hot alkaline KMnO4. This is probably true because you can have a side chain oxidation right here. D, it reacts with 2 mole of sodium carbonate. Cannot. This is wrong because it can only react with carboxylic acid. So only option available to us is C,